Guys, have I got a surprise for you today? First of all, I'm going to be telling you about a project that is blowing up in the NFT space. Second of all, I'm going to tell you about an upgrade with a very popular project that could literally make you the greatest passive income in 2023. But before we get in, guys, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. So let's get straight in. So guys, here we are first with Sovereign. Okay, I want to spend some time talking to you about what this is. So Sovereign is an upgradable chess-inspired 3D NFTs with main focus of providing value to the holders with excellent utilities and rewards. Now, you can see just by the website how incredible this is, how amazing we have become with NFTs and how we can relate it to the normal world. You can see, for example, one of the pieces here, the king, all right, looking incredible. Okay, their art is launching its chess-inspired Genesis collection in the NFT marketplace with pawns. Each of these pawns can be upgraded with SQRE, which is their native token, to any one of the 5 sovereigns: king, queen, rook, knight, bishop. Each NFT is individually rendered, ensuring shadows, lighting, and impeccable details are retained. So for example, you can see the pawns here, which is 10 SQRE tokens per day. Goes to 1,000 SQR tokens. The sovereigns, 25 to 35 tokens per day. You can see the kings, queens, bishops, knights, rooks. Let me know in the comments right now what your favorite one is, because I know for a fact that mine is the knight. Okay, it looks insane. A lot of people are going to say king and queen, but the knight is just unbelievably detailed. Love it to bits. Now, let's talk about the utilities. Providing incredible value to long-term holders of the Sovereign. So number one, the Rumble game. The Rumble game is an NFT battle royale game that costs 1 soul to participate, where you can win from over 6,500 soul prize pool. Okay, 5% of Rumble revenue will be paid out to the Sovereign holders every single month. Number 2 is the staking, where you pawn stake your pawn and you will earn 10 SQRE every single day. If you're a pawn or a Sovereign, you can earn 25 to 35 a day. Upgrades, so pawns can be upgraded to Sovereigns with 1,000 SQRE, so even if you win them or buy them, it doesn't matter. Pawns will randomly be promoted to any of the 5 sovereigns: kings, queens, rooks, knights, and bishops. You've got the market side. Some sovereigns market holders can use the SPL token, SQRE. It can be used to purchase established blue chip NFTs, whitelist spots, access to NFT tools, and event passes. The merchandise, merchant 3D printed IRL chessboards to long-term holders. Chess utilities, so the enthusiasts stand to win app and club memberships, event tickets, and much more. Maybe even win an icon or a chess match. Events with the Sovereign NFTs be your access pass to attend all events, but in IRL to the Metaverse. They've got the community also going through, okay, vibrant and growing community. Holders will have access to the private alpha calls by founders and the community leaders. You've got the valuable games with the whale holders, okay? Holders can collect the whole board of 32 pieces in a single skin to win a jackpot prize. Project Red. Next project, codename Red, can only be minted using SQRE, so get ready for that. And a little bit about their roadmap, okay? I'm going to talk about their roadmap and the team. I like the website because you scroll and it goes through. So we've got the mint reveal first, okay, going on to the pawning, to the upgrade into sovereigns, from the sovereigns market, Project Red, okay, and more is coming out. Now, guys, you can start to see why I love this project, right? Last thing I want to talk about before I jump to their Twitter is their team. They have the co-founder Ash, the co-founder Key, and the head of design and art Sen. If you go on, you can see all the way through, okay, with Gotham as well. What I want you to do is click on their Twitter and actually have a look at what is going on with the team. I don't want to just talk about them, but they are very, very detailed in their research and their background to why this project is blowing up. So let me show you their Twitter. Their Twitter is @thesovereignnft. Nothing else. Give them a follow. Let me know when you've hit that link down below and done it. Okay, who are the lucky ones to get gifted? They do giveaways on here all the time. They do different kind of artworks. They do collaborations. All right, everything on here. Look at this rare one here, looking incredible. All right, guys, give them a big follow and let them know you're from this channel. But I want to just jump now to a second project I want to quickly touch on before we leave this video. So guys, everybody knows about the 1inch network, right? But I want to tell you about a major upgrade that they have just released that is blowing everyone away. Now, I want to bring all of your attention, okay, everything you have, to this article, blog.1inch.io, where it actually tells you, okay, I'm going to put it all in one big summary for you, that you now, not can you just swap tokens without network fees, store crypto securely, but you can also earn passively quite a lovely % on APY. Guys, they've added the fact that you can now earn a passive income on the % APY. That is ridiculously good as an upgrade. So not only will 1inch Network already killing the game, they have now upgraded to maybe become the biggest project in 2023. Their Twitter is @1inch, so give them a big follow. But what I want to do is just show you quickly how to actually get involved in the staking side. So guys, on their website, okay, all you want to do is click that link down below, go to DAO, and the staking side is right there, guys. It couldn't be as easier, but please know, It's ridiculous. Now we have this passive income opportunity, so please get involved. There you have it, guys. If that didn't blow your mind, I don't know what will, but please blow my mind by hitting that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you on the next video.